Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to chat secretly with anyone in Viber. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it. The messaging app is using end-to-end encryption as the default protocol for all of the messages, voice calls and video calls. So if you open any conversation, and here you will see message in this chat are private and protected by Viber's end-to-end encryption. And to start a secret message, you can tap on this timer icon here. You can select a time to disappear your message. So I'm going to select here 1 minute. So here you can see next message will disappear after 1 minute. Function has been created, and if I send any message here, the message will be automatically deleted after 1 minute. So that's how you can start a secret conversation with anyone in Viber. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.